This is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. It comes in 4 colors: Mystic Bronze, Mystic Blue, Mystic Black and Mystic White. We're going to unbox this and show you its contents and get it connected to our Android phone. So this is the box itself, and at the back of the box you've got some specifications: ergonomic fit and a playtime of 6 to 21 hours. It has got a triple mic for clear call as well as active noise cancellation, and it supports Bluetooth, and the sound is by AKG. So what is AKG? It is part of Harman International Industries, a subsidiary of Samsung Electronics. And of course it has got the packaging contents as well. So let's unbox this and check it out. So this is what you see once you open up the box. This is a charging case. It should contain the earbuds itself. So you can see that the earbuds are shaped like a jelly bean. So it's like a pair of jelly beans. And the charging case, there is the word Samsung and sound by AKG imprinted on it. And what we have over here, so this is a pair of charging cables, and it is USB Type C, as you can see over here. And this is some spare ear tips, and it has got the word L imprinted on it. So this is the large ear tips for replacement. Let's put this back. Okay, so it comes with a quick start guide. So these are the items that are in box. Next, we will connect this pair of Galaxy Buds Live to our Android phone. So from the phone itself, go to Bluetooth settings, select details, open up the charging case. It has detected our Galaxy Buds Live. Select that. At the Bluetooth pairing request, select pair. It will immediately download the software. On the software, we need to review the end user license agreement. We'll select agree. We need to allow the Galaxy Buds Live to make and manage our phone calls. Select allow. So there's a pop-up. We'll select OK. And these are some instructions on how to wear our earbuds. Tap on got it. So we are all set. And these are some settings on our Galaxy Buds Live. You can see the battery life of the buds itself and the charging case. So it's prompting that there's a new version of the software for earbuds. We'll select not now. So we can check out tips to learn more about what our earbuds can do. We'll close this as well. We'll turn on active noise cancellation. So this software allows you to customize some of the settings. And so our Galaxy Buds Live is now paired to our Android phone.